Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic, Love, Laughter, and Hope. I've started this off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Sista Chic, Love, Laughter, and Hope. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. It's like a baby blue with shimmer all through it. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to go in with my second coat here. And the formula, of course, is amazing. So even though Sista Chic is no longer selling polishes, if you have them, break them out. I'm going to top this one with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. And here's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Maniology MXM027, Nicole Diary NS08. And my monocle stamper and Maniology scraper. I'm just going to use a couple of images. I'm going to be straightforward with this one today. It's going to be just single stamping and just going to let it roll, you know. Not getting too crazy all deep into some, you know, more complex manicures today. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller and my plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And I'm really liking this Nicole Diary color. It's so pretty. And it didn't show up like popping hot, vibrant over this blue, but I really do like the look of it. And here we go. I'm going to use this image. It looks like cells, you know, like the cell fluid manicures. And I thought that would be really fun. So I'm going to do this on a couple of nails. Just kind of let them, you know, all do their little magic. I am trying to work through my stamping polishes and mix things up and, you know, not be like a one-trick pony or nothing. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this off of my skin. I did use the Burt's Bees cuticle balm around my fingertips, so it's a little bit easier to come up. But it looks like I might have missed some spots. So I'm going to go in with the acetone and get that cleaned up real quick. I always have to do up under that little tiny edge there. And I'm going to cover it up with some smudge-free top coat. Just cover it all up. No, it's see-through, so. And then once that's dry, I'm going to use my Poshe as my final top coat today. And I really did enjoy this one. I thought it was fun and kind of light in summer. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. I love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.